Torrential slide value equivalent to 227.90 rands a coin. The present cost range, 226.43 229.19. The earlier day close, 231.59. The change was 3.69. 1.59%. Converse rate, ZAR to Avax. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Avalanche cost forecast on Monday, August 7. Cost 225 rands, high 241, low 209. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, August 8. Cost 226 rands, high 242, low 210. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9. Cost 222 rands, high 238, low 206. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday, August 10. Cost 230 rands, high 246, low 214. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, August 11. Cost 227 rands, high 243, low 211. In multi-week torrential slide gauge on Monday, August 14. Cost 222 rands, high 238, low 206. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15. Cost 225 rands, high 241, low 209. Torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, August 16. Cost 227 rands, high 243, low 211. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday, August 17. Cost 223 rands, high 239, low 207. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, August 18. Cost 220 rands, high 235, low 205. In about 14 days torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, August 21. Cost 224 rands, high 240, low 208. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, August 22. Cost 217 rands, high 232, low 202. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23. Cost 218 rands, high 233, low 203. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, August 24. Cost 209 rands, high 224, low 194. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, August 25. Cost 210 rands, high 225, low 195. In 3 weeks torrential slide conjecture on Monday, August 28. Cost 210 rands, high 225, low 195. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29. Cost 210 rands, high 225, low 195. Torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, August 30. Cost 197 rands, high 211, low 183. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, August 31. Cost 195 rands, high 209, low 181. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, September 1. Cost 188 rands, high 201, low 175. In about a month torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, September 4. Cost 188 rands, high 201, low 175. Torrential slide estimate on Tuesday, September 5. Cost 198 rands, high 212, low 184. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 136 rands, exorbitant cost 136, while low cost 113. Found the middle value of cost 127. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 121. Change for December 11.0%. Torrential slide estimate for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 121 rands, exorbitant cost 128, while low cost 112. Found the middle value of cost 120. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 120. Change for January 0.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 120 rands, exorbitant cost 129, while low cost 113. Arrived at the midpoint of cost 121. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 121. Change for February 0.8%. Torrential slide conjecture for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at 121 rands, excessive cost 121, while low cost 103. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 114. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the months and 111. Change for spring 8.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at 111 rands. Excessive cost 138. While low cost 111. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 122. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the months and 129. Change for April 16.2%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2024. Initially cost at 129 rands. Excessive cost 140. While low cost 122. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 131. Torrential slide cost figure toward the months and 131. Change for May 1.6%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. To start with cost at 131 rands. Exorbitant cost 142. While low cost 124. The found the middle value of cost 133. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the months and 133. Change for June 1.5%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2024. In the first place cost at 133 rands. Exorbitant cost 162. While low cost 133. The found the middle value of cost 145. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 151. Change for July 13.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. In the first place cost at 151 rands. Exorbitant cost 154. While low cost 134. The found the middle value of cost 146. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 144. Change for August 4.6%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2024. In the first place cost at 144 rands. Exorbitant cost 156. While low cost 136. The found the middle value of cost 146. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 146. Change for September 1.4%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. In the first place cost at 146 rands. Exorbitant cost 181. While low cost 146. The found the middle value of cost 161. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the months and 169. Change for October 15.8%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at 169 rands. Exorbitant cost 184. While low cost 160. The found the middle value of cost 171. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the months and 172. Change for November 1.8%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at 172 rands. Exorbitant cost 187. While low cost